Welcome back, folks. I hope all of you are doing well. Today, I'm going to introduce you to yet another interesting subject that is choose function. Have you ever tried it? If not, don't worry. We are going to try it now and you will enjoy definitely using it. So, choose function primarily is very interesting function. In my opinion, it's quite useful. How to use it? Let me add a combination of sum here and showcase you how the choose function itself works. You can see on your screen now the syntax of the choose function. This is the syntax we are going to use. It's very simple. So let's go dive into the table we have here. So we have a table with certain countries and production of certain fruits there. So we want to see a total of per each. Let's say, let's pick fruit and we're going to make a sum of that. So sum starts with sum function, and then here comes the new feature of choose that we are going to use, and then start parenthesis. First of all, you have to give a column index. Which one? First, second, third, fourth. So I would select here this cell as a reference for my column selection because I'm going to change later on the column selections here. Now we're going to give the columns and it goes in a sequence. So for example, the first one I've chosen C 7 to C18, then comma, second one, comma, third one, comma, fourth one, comma, fifth one, comma, sixth one, comma, seventh one, comma, eighth one, comma, ninth one, and comma, tenth one. Don't try to select the full table, it will not work for you. I will close the parenthesis. Oh, I have to put two parentheses at the end. Yes, the correction has been accepted. And there we go. The first one is 3,159. Let's see if it's summing up to that. Yes, it is summing up to that. So just to give you an idea, I will put a sum function here and we will see how much each one of these columns is totaling up. So the first one you can see here, we have chosen the first one, it's matching. I will drag it down there so we can match the values. So let's pick the fourth one. We see peaches, it's number 4 here. You see the peach value here is matching with our supply. Similarly, I will change here and now I'll pick the last one, number 10. That should be in this case 3,917. So let's put number 10 and see. It's matching here. Fantastic. That is very good. You can use different other features and functions as well. For example, in this one, I'm going to choose instead of sum, I will take an average. So I have changed the functionality here and I have taken average here. Let's see if average is also matching with all the averages. So I'm gonna choose it like this and let's see if it works. Ta-da! It is working. So you can see here 326 for 10th one. First one is 263. So I will choose the first one here and we can see the first one in the function as well. Interesting, isn't it? So today we have learned how the choose function works in Excel. The choose function is basically to select up to 254 values based on the index number itself. So this cell F2 that we have been using, this was basically reference of the index numbers. So this we can use to utilize choosing the index numbers. You can also do it for the days of the week and many other values in your tables. I would recommend you to try it on your own. And please, please, please do share your feedback in the comments below. And also don't forget to share your ideas in the commentary. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. Till the time we speak again, take care and ciao, ciao.